to my channel. This video I'll be showing how to create a professional portfolio for your content writing. So if you're into content writing, this is a great portfolio website that you can use to create your portfolio. So the first thing you have to do is come to their website and sign up on the website. So the website name is lucrative. So this is it. So I'll drop the link below in my description so you guys can sign up on it. So the first thing you have to do is click on the sign up here. Then as you can see, it's like choose your very easy to create. The first thing you have to do is just like choose your username. After that, fill in your email. Then you put a valid email address. Then choose a strong password. Then after that, then you choose I'm not a robot. Then click on sign up. I already have an account on this clip. It does me already, so I'll dive into that my account. So this is my own portfolio account. As you can see, this is a web professional portfolio. So this is for your content writing stuff. So you can see additional news, direct response, corporate essay, content creator, company MPG SEO writer, script writer, and game story writer. So that's what I'm into. So these are all the sites I'm writing. So then these are my portfolio down below. So these are my portfolio. So these are jobs I've done for my several clients. So as you can see. So just input all the necessary things you need to input there. Like put your portfolio so that people know that this is what you can do and this is what you are really good at. So in case you want to edit, so after signing up on epis.ed, the first thing you have to do is edit your profile. How do you do that? You come to this edit profile, then click on it. As you can see, it says just edit your username, your title, whatever you want it to be, so you can just edit it here. Then title. So what you do? As you can see, just input everything. So this is biography. The biography says about that one is just about the description about what you are doing exactly and what you are rendering to people out there. Then you choose your country. You can even change your country. So if you are not in Nigeria, you can choose the country where you are. Then if you have websites, you can just input your blog website in here. Then Facebook, you can input it here. Then Twitter, if you have a Twitter account, you can also input it. Then same as LinkedIn, Flick. Then your YouTube, you can also input your YouTube channel username there. So then the Instagram account username, you can input it there. Then clicking image, you can also input it there. So that's all. So as in it shows set boss. So always make sure everything is on yes. Then resume, you can also attach your resume to your portfolio. So in case you want to attach your resume, you need to subscribe to their premium membership. So to do that, you just have to click here, then subscribe to it. It take you through the necessary steps you need to do in case you want to subscribe to their premium. So then you click on save profile. After you're done editing everything, it says your profile was updated, share on Twitter. Then the next thing you have to do is come to the portfolio down here. So after filling your necessary, what is it called? Your social media account. So it will show the icon here that these are the social media that you edited in your profile. So it will show everything down below after your description. Then the next thing you have to do is on how to add your item, as in how to add your portfolio as in this job that you have already done for your clients or your research like just finished doing their job. So just add it here. How to do that? You come to this add item here, then you see add from URL. This means that if you have the URL of the job you just finished for your client, you can just input the URL here. Through that, just click on add from URL. Then if it's a file like PDF file, you can also input the PDF file. To do that, you can just come in. So you have maybe like up to like all this multimedia stuff or all this kind of category work with that you can also make use of. So what I do normally make use of here is this first two, add from URL or upload PDF. To do that, you can just click on the PDF stuff. So as you can see, so the title of what of job you did for your client, you put it here. Then publication, it means like maybe the page is a price transfer, or maybe you did a job for people, or you write something on about for some bloggers. So you can just include them maybe like bloggers, and you put the publication of the bloggers name there, their website. You can just include their name there. Then the date it was you finished the job, you can just input it here. Then the caption, just like short description about the job you did for your client, you can just input the description there. Then you drop the image up. You can just go online and search for what a beautiful image for your job you did for your client. Then you put it in, then upload the file, and that's all. So this is where you upload the file. So then you click on browse, then you upload the PDF file, and that's all. Then after that, you click on upload clipping, then it will automatically upload on your portfolio and be added to your portfolio like that. So that's why you do that. So in case for the URL stuff, you can just come here, then click on add from URL, then you just input the link direct. You don't need anything, just input the link direct, then it will automatically add it to your portfolio. To do, let me show you one. So let's go in topic. I'm actually using a blog website. So this is my blog website. So I want to add one of the URL so you can see how it come down. So let me just make use of this. Then section to those like blog stuff. Then click on copy link address. That's what you are going to copy. Then you come here, then paste it there, then click on add. So you can see your people was added. So you want to share it on Twitter, you can also share it on Twitter. So you can see this is what you just did right now. So this is the blog website name. It will be added to it. So the necessary things will be added to it too. This is just a blog job like this, a blog contents. So that's very good. So then you can just add up to like 10. So for we are using free version, you can just add up like 10 portfolio. But after subscribing to the membership, you can add more than 10. So that's what about on how to create a professional portfolio. So this is where you input your image. So as for client to know that this person is real. So in case you want to create a portfolio, this is a good website that you can create a portfolio for your content writing stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and please give us a thumbs like. Good day, everyone.